Hi, I'm Jared, a Belkasoft digital forensic specialist. This is the Belkasoft video series, BelkaTalk, on DFIR. Here we answer questions that you can send us via email or directly in the comments to these videos. Today we have the question, how can you extract and decode passwords from internet browsers? Extracting and decoding passwords from internet browser can prove to be a difficult task if a few conditions are not met. If we are lucky enough to obtain a keychain file from an iOS device, which can be completed on any iOS device running iOS version 10 to 13.7 with Belkasoft's agent-based acquisition, we can easily image the device and Belkasoft X will automatically decrypt the internet browser passwords utilizing the keychain file. If we're speaking for browser passwords from a Windows machine, we may be able to acquire an accompanying memory image to aid in internet browser password discovery. If we are not lucky enough to be in this situation, we can make an attempt to brute force the password utilizing one of Belkasoft X partners, Passware, their forensic kit product. Passware's forensic kit has the ability to brute force passwords for website, email, network connections, and many other different types of methods. Passware's forensic kit can be found at the following link. Thank you for tuning in to BelkaTalk on DFIR. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, ding the little bell, subscribe to our channel. And again, if you have any questions that you want answered, drop them in the comments below.